Silicon Valley wants you to believe autonomous AI agents are the final leap forward to replacing human labor, but these digital workers are just a desperate magic trick designed to hide the fact that foundational models have completely flatlined. They are burning $150 billion to cover up the death of AGI. Look, they call it openclaw, a massive trend of 2026. You hand a large language model the keys to your system and let it run your business autonomously. They promise you a digital employee. What you actually get is a computational parasite. When these agents hit a roadblock, they don't just stop and ask for help, they panic, they trigger infinite reasoning loops, they just sit there spinning their wheels, incinerating thousands of dollars an hour in compute costs just to solve basic 4-cent consumer service tickets. Oh, but the next frontier model, that will fix the reasoning gap? No the fuck it won't! Here's the brutal reality no one on a keynote stage wants to admit. We hit the data wall. The internet is tapped out, we've scraped every last drop of high-quality human text to train these things on, and the well is completely dry. Models are not getting inherently smarter, they're just getting aggressively more bloated. But cloud providers just blew $150 billion on server farms, guys. They can't tell Wall Street the exponential growth is over, they can't admit that AGI is a total hallucination and they accidentally built the world's most expensive zip file. So instead of admitting defeat, they invent a new buzzword, agentic workflows. It's a shell game to keep the venture capital machine churning. And the tragic part, this pivot is actively destroying enterprise productivity. When you try to fully replace human labor with an agent, the task success rate absolutely plummets. They fail constantly. Your real employees end up spending twice as much time playing digital janitor to an algorithm's endless hallucinations. But when you use an AI to simply augment a human, efficiency goes through the roof, guys. We actually know what works here, but guess what? We're just gonna ignore human augmentation because it doesn't justify a 60% margin for venture capitalists. So they just fire the humans anyways. They're replacing highly effective augmented teams with brain-dead digital ghosts to protect their own absurd valuations. And the absolute sickest part is that corporate leadership isn't just getting squeezed by external AI vendors. They are being financially sabotaged from the inside by their own developers, weaponizing this exact architectural chaos, which is exactly why you need to click this video right now to see how token maxing is bankrupting tech giants. Or you can just let the YouTube algorithm decide what the other card will be.